In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file on OneDrive. First off, let's dive in and ensure your important documents are safely stored in the cloud. You'll want to start by heading over to your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for OneDrive. This is Microsoft's personal cloud storage service, and you can easily find it by going to the Microsoft OneDrive website. OneDrive is a fantastic platform that allows you to access your files from practically anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. It's perfect for keeping your digital life organized and secure across multiple devices. Once you've reached the OneDrive homepage, the next step is to locate the Sign In button. This is usually prominently displayed on the page, so it should be easy to find. If you're already using other Microsoft services like Outlook or Office Online, your existing Microsoft account credentials will work here as well. Simply enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Now, if you don't have an account yet, this is a great time to create one as it's essential for accessing all the features OneDrive offers. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the OneDrive homepage. This acts as the central hub where all your stored files are easily accessible. Take a moment to explore this space, which offers various options like recent files, picture galleries, and more. However, for today's demonstration, we're going to focus on adding a new file to your OneDrive. To get started, direct your attention to the menu options, typically located on the left side of the screen. Look for an option labeled New or Add. This is where the file uploading journey begins as you start adding files to your personal cloud storage. Clicking on this option will present you with a few choices. Next, you'll want to select Upload Files. Consider this the magic button that allows you to move any file from your local device into the cloud. Clicking on it will prompt a File Explorer window to pop up. Take a moment here to locate the file on your computer that you wish to upload. This might be anything from a Word document, a set of vacation photos, or even a work presentation. Select the desired file, and then simply click Open to initiate the upload process. Within a few seconds, your file will begin to upload to your OneDrive space. You might see a confirmation notice popping up, letting you know that your file has been successfully uploaded. And that's it, your file is now securely stored on OneDrive, waiting for you to access whenever and wherever you need it. Thank you for tuning in to this quick guide on adding files to OneDrive. Feel free to explore more features and discover how OneDrive can serve all your storage needs. Keep your files organized and safe in the cloud.